Hello everyone, Evita here. Good afternoon. Today I'll be doing my front containers over here. I just came back from the nursery. I actually was looking for different colors for my color palette this year. I was thinking of doing another color, and then one of the pots started growing pansies and so I thought, okay, I'll do purples and whites. So I did yellow, orange and white last year. The other year I had pinks and whites, and I think 2021 I had purples and pinks. So I limit the color palette this year to purples and whites, different shades, and I already prepared a bucket with water so I can soak the plants. It will be easier for me to take them out from the pot, and then I will be amending the soil with some organic fertilizer that I use every year, checking what plants are still alive, what I can transfer to my yellow area. So if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video. So I'll just amend the soil because they still look very good. So now I have to decide which plant goes to which container. Isn't it pretty? Okay, let's try this. There are a few plants that are growing back in this pot. I have this white flowering ornamental sage for years in this pot already and keeps coming back. I'm really glad. So yeah, just have to take some soil out. This one is the pagoda tree. I can take it out and transfer it in a bigger pot as a solitaire. So, some fertilizer. I usually grow my own flowering plants from seeds, but I buy plants for the containers here because I really need some color early spring. It just makes me so happy. That really makes me happy when I open the door and I see all different kinds of beautiful colors on the stairs. Then I'll be happy all day long. I'm usually happy all day long, but it makes me happier. So there's also something growing here. I forgot the name. It's also with some purplish, greenish thing. It's a trailing plant, so that will go with it. Really good. Maybe I can add another petunia here when they start selling them. They're not in any nursery yet. I was looking for petunias because I really love the trailing kind, but They're not out there yet. Just loosen the root system here. So that looks good. So I have to free some of the growth here because I just put a lot of soil on top just to protect it from the cold. And now it has new growth. And I have to take out some of the soil so it can grow better. Okay. So, I have to decide which one I'll put here. Okay. Maybe I can move this one a little bit to the side. And then I can put a bigger one in front. I will be putting an anemone here. It's an anemone coronaria. And I don't think this is winter hard. And it actually likes half shade. This is south side, but in spring, it's not that hot over here yet. So when it turns hotter, I can just replace it with some petunias. So I'm done planting my front containers with the color palette. Purples, lavenders, and some blues, I guess. I actually planted lavenders, but my husband said those are blues. Anyway, to me they are lavenders. I didn't plant them packed like most people would do. I always plant them this way because I like to wait and see them grow and put out more buds. And in a few weeks time, this will be looking very gorgeous in front. If you're interested, I have a playlist in my channel. It's called Container Gardening. And you can see how much the plants grow in a few weeks. I always plant them this way, and in a few weeks they'll be full. So if you're interested, click on that at the end of the video,